Okay guys, welcome back. We are on to our last two unboxings from the first Japanese box, and this is our rare Kyosho Mini Z unboxing. And so guys, last two in the first Japanese box, and then we've got the second Japanese box as well to go through as well. Okay, so righty, let's move on. Alright, okay, so this, I don't think this had been used, but for some reason there wasn't a shell with it. I mean, like a display case and all that stuff, and all the literature stuff that comes with it. Wasn't any of that. But I wasn't too fussed, guys. I've got quite a few Lambos anyway. There were wheels with it as well. Oh, I don't know if you guess what it is, but I've only ever seen one of these before, guys, and that's on another YouTuber's video. So I don't know how rare this is, but it seems kind of rare because he had it as his like focal point in his vid. So I would have thought it was pretty rare. And this is again the Lamborghini Murciélago shell. I can't wait for them to bring out some more Lamborghinis, guys. I mean, they do it in the die-cast versions anyway, guys. You've got the 1/43 scale, and you know what? They look amazing, man. Some of them look just totally awesome, right? And you're thinking, well, Kyosho, you've already done it. I'm sure it won't be too difficult for you guys to just bring it out. Oh, I'll cut the shell. I'm sure it won't be too difficult for you guys to bring out some newer Lambos. They must like this shell, guys, because everything seems to come out in this shell. But come on, man, get the Aventador, the Cinero? Yeah. Okay. Does have a bit of a funky colour contrast to it. It's got that kind of racing stripe going down it. This is one I would use for my vids, guys. It doesn't have, oh, it just has the Lamborghini writing on the back. Right. Let's see what it would look like under a chassis with some wheels. Let's have a wee look at this. I love that shell, man. I don't know if you saw that out of the vids, guys. Proper little beauty, man. So let's see if the wheels make all the difference on this right now. Get in there, guys. One. Well, it does make a difference. Right. Beautiful. Okay. That's definitely going to be featuring in one of my vids. Put you over there. Right, let's move on to the next one. Right, guys. Last one. Don't know if you can tell what this is. Quite similar to this one here. But this is the Japanese police car. This is the NSX version. Not really too cool, but I prefer the GT version of the NSX, guys. That would have been an amazing police car if they'd done like that, but they haven't. So there was another one that I came across, and the picture wasn't too clear, so I haven't seen this properly yet, guys. This is another police car. I wanted to do like a Tokyo Drift kind of street race, so because of that I thought, let's get some Japanese police cars. This is the R34, I believe, version. So I didn't get to see the picture, wasn't too cracky, guys, it wasn't too clear. There was only one picture, but I thought, well, I need a police car anyway, and I'd rather get something a bit different than the NSX. But the police colour scheme isn't too cracky. I don't know the Japanese, no offence to the Japanese people, but not really too great. Okay, so this is a police car, R34 GTR, and this is one dorky now that I can see it, this is one dorky GTR R34, like the wheels. What is with the bonnet? Guys, I haven't seen anything like that before. What on earth is that? Is that like bulletproof glass or something? It is different to, right, because that doesn't have these lights at the front. So it is different, like the wheels. Prefer them to the other ones. Light bar is the same. Spoiler's a bit more cooler. Alright, okay. But what is that dorkiness on the bonnet? And why does it have this, like, what's it called? A widow's brow? You know, people have that hairline that Khabib's got. The wrestler. Why has it got that kind of... Look, I don't get it. Why does it have that? Why does it have the widow's brow? I don't get it. It's like Eddie Munster. Anyway, we'll put that on a display stand and have a look at it. I don't get it. Tell me, please, anyone from Japan's watching this year, what is with that stuff on the bonnet? I really don't get it. Is this a special police car? Is it different? You know, beats me. Light bar's the same, and it's just got numbers on the top. But I don't get the roof thing. I really don't get it. But we shall see it when it's on the display stand. Right, that's that one done, guys. Watch it on the display stand, and we have got one box left, and we are then done for this series, I think. I don't think there's anything else coming in the post, but so right, there's some cool stuff in here as well. So guys, get ready. Watch the next one that's coming on. Let us know in the comments what you think of this unboxing of this particular Japanese box, and let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, thank you very much. Tune in for the next one. Just gonna give it a quick spin in its case, guys. I don't read Japanese, so I don't really know what's on the side of the car, but I do think it'll probably say police car. I reckon anyway. Okay, let's get it out of the display case so there's no glare. See this little beauty. So here we've got our Japanese police car. This is the R34, the GTR version. I like the wheels. I like the little red lights at the front. I don't like the table tennis net on the bonnet. What is that? I really don't get that. Is it bulletproof glass? I don't know. If you guys know, let me know in the comments, because I ain't got a clue what that is. So I had the NSX, which was the old shape. I wasn't a fan of. They should have done the GT NSX as a police car. That would be mental. I do believe this looks better. This R34 definitely looks better as a police car. Not what we used to though. We don't really have two-tone like this in police cars and the widow's brow on the bonnet. Not what we used to. But yeah, I did manage to get some a light kit. So 2 lights, because I've moved away from using the Kyosho ones. I'd rather just put one of them, is it CR032? You know them disc kind of batteries, guys, that go in most stuff. There's sellers on eBay that sell them as part of LED kits. You can get 4, you can get 6, but the benefit is they stay on all the time. Not a case of just flashing or turning on when you accelerate. They stay on all the time, and you can buy kits that actually flash. So that's what I got. 2 whites in the front, 2 reds for the lights, like the light bar on the top of the car, and then 2 reds for the rear. Would it be nice to have 4? But I don't think, I'm gonna pop this off, guys, to have a look at it. I don't think this will give you the option to put the lights in. So as you know, Mini Z's, guys, they have like a dummy LED light that fits in the slots, which are a mission to get out. They need to rethink this year, because I understand it has to be a happy medium, because if they're not fitted in very well, they'll just fall out in transport, right? But these are fitting a bit too well. It's so hard to get them out, guys. And once you snap the tab on the end of it, oh man, you are in for a mission. So yeah, 3mm LEDs fit in there perfectly, but getting them out can be a bit of a challenge. And then, you know, do you glue them in? You know, because I want to use stuff on different cars, but okay. But anyhow, let's have a look. Is the option on this light bar as it is with the Chevrolet Caprice police car? You can stick LEDs into the light bar from inside the car. Does this give us the option? But yeah, ideally you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4. You'd have 4 lights at the front, 2 red, 2 white, 2 lights, or even you could have more in the light bar at the top, and then 4 lights at the back, 2 red and 2 orange. But I haven't come across kits that have about 8 lights in them. 6 is the most I can get, but I'm happy with that. So let's have a quick look. If we can, I can see. Can you guys see that? You see them 2 dummy LEDs that are in there? It's probably gonna have tape stuck on here. It is gonna have tape on here. It's gonna be a mission to get this off, but let's have a wee go. Oh, came off. Sometimes when they're new, this don't come off. Okay, right. So there's a docky table tennis thing. Don't get that. And there you can see the tabs, guys, sticking up. Can you see that? So you pull them out, and if that breaks off, you have got problems getting that out. And then you just slot your LEDs in there. You might have to glue gun them. And at the back, oh come on, what a letdown, man. There's no place for LEDs in the back. That means you have to drill in, and that's really kind of delicate because you can go onto the lens and destroy the look of your car. Oh, that is so daft, man. They did that on the Monster Mini Z truck as well. Oh, you can't put lights in the front either. Oh, it's one of them drilling ones, man. Kyosho, you killed it off, man. You killed it off. What's the point of having 2 lights in the top and the rest of it no lights? Not impressed, guys. Not impressed. Anyhow, that's that one. Let's move on. Okay guys, so here's another rare little beauty, and I've seen one of these before. This didn't come, I think it's been pre-owned, but not really bad. It's got a few scuffs, but nothing major. I don't think you'd even tell. But it just came as a shell, so no dummy chassis, no wheels, but no biggie, man. You can always stick something underneath it. So yeah, so it is. I think it is a rare. I don't know if it's an officially rare one, but it definitely is a rare shell. It's not one that you see all the time. And I like my Lambos, and I really want Kyosho to bring out some newer Lambos, guys. But I don't know when that's going to happen. So this came up, and I thought, well, you know what? Might as well get it. It wasn't amazingly expensive, so yeah. But I do like. I don't know if you know when when it starts to go out of the shot, and you just get the edge of the back wheel in the shot. I just love that deep dish kind of look, man. Looks amazing. I mean, when it's a side view, it's not amazing, but watch as it starts to go out now. The real wheel just looks crazy, man. Oh man, yes guys, it's probably a 90s thing, you know what I mean, but yeah. But I like that. Pretty cool. It would have been nice if it was like a metallic kind of grey, it's a bit matte kind of grey, but it is different. And you know me, guys, I always like black and orange. You know, like that kind of vibrant orange and black. I'm a sucker for that, man. I just think it, especially Mini Z's, it just looks awesome. It just makes the car stand out so much, guys. And again, this hasn't got much of it, but definitely to stand out. It would be nice if that stripe would have carried on over the spoiler and down the rear of the car as well. But all good. I'm noticing some of these Lamborghinis, they don't really have as much detail with the grills on the back. They have it pretty plain. I don't know why that is, but yeah, I've noticed some of them, right, really kind of like a dull down version compared to these. And even at the front, they don't seem to have grills in the ducts at the front. I don't know why that is. Is it that the rare ones have a little bit more attention to detail, or are just kitted out a bit more? I don't know. But they definitely need to bring out some new Lambos, guys. I'm happy to see that they brought out the McLaren P1. I wasn't expecting that. That's awesome. And they need to definitely bring out, you know, newer Lambos, newer Ford GT, you know, definitely need to, or even concept ones. That would be so amazing if they brought out some of them. I've seen some crazy concept Audis. You know, really futuristic. And I think as a wild card, they should just bring out some crazy stuff like that. Again, this little beauty, it lives for the limelight, man. I can stay there all day. Looks nice. With their wheels, look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Let's move on, guys. Let's be fair. Let's share the love. Let's move on to our next little baby.